Welcome to JD's Prep. All right, so we have some information about supermoons for the next few questions. We have a blurb here that tells us about a rare total lunar eclipse happening in 2015. It's an eclipse of the supermoon. This occurs when the entire lighted half of the moon faces Earth and the moon is at its closest point to Earth in its orbit. So that when that happens, the moon appears 14% larger and 30% brighter than normal. These events are rare, but a total lunar eclipse during a supermoon is even more rare. There have been only 6 total supermoon lunar eclipses since 1900, and the next one will happen in 2033. So this first question is essentially just a reading comprehension question to make sure that you have read the blurb. So supermoon total lunar eclipses are celestial events that they're not random, they are predictable. It definitely will happen after 2033. It's saying it will happen. The next one won't happen until 2033, but nothing about beyond that. And it definitely doesn't happen after every full moon. If you're reading the blurb, you should be able to answer this one really clearly. And next we're asked to identify which would be the moon's position during this supermoon total lunar eclipse, A, B, C, or D. So straight from the blurb, it says a supermoon occurs when the entire lighted half of the moon faces Earth. So we need to find the diagram which shows the entire lighted half of the moon facing Earth, which is C. And lastly, we're being asked, what is the time it took for the moon to go from this supermoon to the next full moon phase? So essentially, full moon to full moon. So kind of one part of this diagram all the way around. That is occurring approximately every month, right? So our correct answer is 329.5 days. Thank you for using JD's Prep.